Hey, Daniel Parsons, 9th of September 2025. Hope you're having a great end of summer season. And I want to quickly go on screen share and show you an incredible product line that I believe everyone should be at least aware of. This is the Vital Health Global product line. These are high quality adaptogens, and I don't want to go into the details of everything that I saw when I went down and toured their laboratories and their warehouses and met all of the owners. I met Dr. Tony Rodriguez, who has formulated all these products. I just want to simply show you the power of getting these products right here. I got this essentials products, which is the nitric oxide, the omega-3s that has wild Alaskan salmon fish oils in it, and vitamin D, vitamin K, and some other vitamins and minerals, and then the V-glutation, and then the V-itidol, okay? This package right here is quite incredible. I believe everyone over the age of 25 should have the glutation. Glutathione is your master antioxidant. Then your V omega 3s, your V nitros, your nitric oxide, and the V itidol. That is a natural way to help with discomfort in your body. And I've got to go ahead and give you my disclaimer. Vital Health Global products are not intended to treat, diagnose, cure, prevent any disease or illness. Please consult with your licensed medical provider for your health concerns. And so now that I've shared that with you, this is $183. This is the retail price. If you want to be a retail customer of mine, I'll show you how to do that. I'll give you my link here at the end. And I'll also give you my phone number while I'm going off of screen share. And go ahead and stop sharing. That phone is 360-383-0265 Pacific Time Zone weekdays. Vital Health Global sources everything from all over the world. They're plant-based products, and it's the best quality that Dr. Tony Rodriguez can get. They keep over a 6-month supply of raw materials in a controlled climate part of their warehouse, and then this way they don't run into the problems of being short and people having to wait for the products, because once you get on these products, you will want to have them every single day. The exception is the tea detox. You don't want to drink that tea detox every single day after a certain point. Once you've cleaned your system, then you need to rest from those herbs for a few days. And so if you went out and you priced the quality of this nitric oxide, you would be paying probably $100 if you could find anything that was similar quality. Okay. And so if you pay a one-time every year fee of $29 to be a preferred customer, I can get you, instead of $180, you would pay $149.50. Now here's the kicker. In the August month, I needed to purchase for one of my family members that package, and they had a sale on that package for $122. That is an incredible value, my friends. I know that there are nitric oxide alone products that push that price. And here's the thing. If you want to be able to earn your products, I can show you how to do that. And it's the same thing. You just pay that one time every year $29 fee, and I'll show you how to be able to earn your products. Once again, you would go to shop.vitalhealthglobal.com/heal with Daniel. But I do like phone calls, and so I gave you my phone number, and I'm more than happy to answer any questions that you have about Vital Health Global. The company did $41 million last year, and now they're doing $9 million a month. Okay. So it's a rocket ship that's really taking off because many people know about the company now. It's still in the growth phase, and they are very, very good. The products arrive on time, and so and the commissions are paid on time for people that want to earn the commissions. And here's the thing: of that $41 million, and I can show you the receipts. In 2024, Vital Health Global paid out over $20.5 million. So I've never seen a company that doesn't have the ways that keeps the money in the owner's pockets. This company is one of a kind. And so when you pay out over half of what you took in, that's an incredible opportunity, my friends. And so I urge you to give me a call and get started in Vital Health Global. I would get on this product. Everybody age 25 and above, you will feel more energy. That nitric oxide is incredible. It's going to help the supplements that you are already using be more efficacious into your bloodstream and into the cells in your body. That glutathione is the master antioxidant. The v-nitro, very good for helping relieve discomfort in your body. And then the omegas, they are powerful omegas. And I tell you, I am so happy with this company, and I look forward to working with you. And I am here to answer any of your phone calls. This is Daniel signing off from Washington State. I am Pacific Time Zone weekdays. Bye for now.